Here is how we can silence notifications on Android during the night. So let me show you exactly how you can set that up. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. Well, you can obviously just before going to bed, you have the ability to swipe down from the top and switch the phone from the loud mode to vibrate or silent, and your phone is not going to make any sounds, right? But there are definitely more options and actually better ones because you can schedule it automatically. So the way that it could work would be by going inside of the settings app and finding what's called modes and routines. And you should be able to find the sleep mode, and at the top it should most definitely be one of the options. And this is going to give you the ability to set up different behaviors for the phone when it's night and you're in bed, right? So you can see that you can, for example, enable the do not disturb mode, right? So you can see what happens when this mode is turned on. So you can click that, make sure that you enable the do not disturb mode, and you can manage what is allowed, right? So you can see that app notifications, you can choose that none of them are allowed, or you can pick one application or a few which you want to still be notified about, right? The same thing for calls and messages. You can decide if any calls are allowed or only from favorites or specific people which you add in here. And you kind of like set up the behavior for your phone when it's night and you're asleep, right? You can as well see like you can change the appearance or choose a different home screen for that purpose. And yeah, there are even some other actions like enabling dark mode and so on, right? So once you customize it, you can then turn it on manually before going to bed, or you can as well enable the scheduling, right? Because you can see that you can choose it for about 8 hours and it's turning automatically, right? So yeah, it's up to you to decide how exactly you want to use it, but I think that this is the best approach to silence notifications at the night and perhaps even attach some more features to it. So I hope it helps. I just wanted to show you how you can kind of use it. Thanks a lot for watching and stick until the end with me, and I will see you later in the future uploads as well.